worry about that. I'm just gonna go for a chill ride. 10 in the morning or something. Let's go. Like a big game of ring toss. Yeah! It's a big title. Back to the action. Hang on a second. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's fucking snowing. It's snowing sideways.
It's raining sideways!
Fuck it. Got some donuts, some Don Julio, some Michelob Ultra, some Coors Light, some Busch, the Coors Banquet, the Webble, and some Capri Suns. I appreciate that. Some Gatorade, and then wood. There's more tires. I must grab tires. Uncook. I must roll them down the hill. Ew! Tire got a little excited. We got one tire. Let's see, we got the Radial Max all season Uncook tire. Let's see. Yeet! Alright, that was pretty good. And now right here, we got another Uncooked tire, the Radial H406. Let's see what this one can do. Yeet! There she goes, little bouncy off the drop in. She's still rolling. Oh, she's starting to slow down. Starting to slow down. And she's over. Whee! Alright. Our runner-up is the Radial 406. Our winner, the Radial Max all season. Thank Thank you for watching Downhill Tire Races. We'll see you next week.
No, I don't think I will.
Yeet. I didn't technically go up Skinny, but I'm up here. So this is what it looks like up here. Whew. Where'd it go? Got a little hole down there. I saw him running across. He's down there somewhere. Whistle pig. Something. Back to what I was doing. The tires. Some big old RTs. Yeah. Don't hurt your ride. More tires, more tires, more tires, more tires. They're everywhere. More tires. Oh, we gotta fix that. Oh, we gotta fix that. Oh, fuck. We gotta put this tire. Yeah. Gotta put this tire right over here. Yeah. Ew, fuck. There we go. Yeah. 5 stack. There we go. There's more tires. More tires. Wood. Got wood. Fun for the little bit that it was. I'm I'm gonna hurry up and get this thing loaded so I can get out of here. Bye-bye.